basically today what we're going to do is that we're going to use the love and fire emoji to create a logo for my company called Full Supply. You already know I have a logo for it, but I just realized that I love these emojis so much. If you watch my WhatsApp status, you see that all the time I use love and fire, and I have a lot of meanings to it. For example, because of love, God gave His only begotten Son, Jesus Christ, so that we can all be saved, right? And fire hereby brings out the best out of things, right? It purifies things. It brings the best out of things. And when even the presence of God rested upon the disciples, when they all came out into one accord, so the Holy Spirit descended as fire upon them, and they all began to speak in different tongues. I know it's too much Bible knowledge, but that's what I like to do. So basically, this inspired this new logo I'm about to show you. I hope you enjoy it. My name has been Kelvin OS. See you at the end. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to your friend if this inspired you in any way. Obviously, listen.